Okay, so your brand new Sony A7 IV is not charging via USB Type-C. Is your camera broken? No. This is just a little annoying problem that can be solved really quickly and easily. Now, the old A7 III never gave me any charging issues. You throw any old USB Type-C cord on it and it charges. Simple as that. But with the A7 IV, it's a little bit more picky, unfortunately. So the A7 IV actually comes with its own charging cable, which is a little bit different than most. I guess it's the voltage or the regulatory properties of the actual thing itself. But I've only actually found, of all of my USB Type-C cords, 2 cords that charge it. And this is a little bit weird and a little bit inconvenient, I must say, but it is what it is. So rest assured that your camera is not broken. Make sure you try that USB cable, the Type-C that did come with your Sony A7 IV, and it should charge right up. Now, if it's not the case, of course you can remove the battery and put it into the charger that is not included with the camera. So if you are pulling your hair out wondering what's going on and if your camera is broken, no, it's not. Just try that USB Type-C or find one that actually does charge it and maybe buy a few spares. I hope this video helped you out, guys. If you want to see more A7 IV content and you like what you saw here today, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Join the community. Like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.